Today we're going to talk about when the SBA contacts you and requests hazard insurance and or to provide a board resolution letter. What does that mean exactly? Welcome to Advancing with Financing.
SBA agents have been contacting our clients and many of you SBA borrowers after you have signed your EIDL loan agreement and received the funding. They're following up on terms that are included in the loan agreement. That's why we always recommend reading the loan agreement, and we'll put a link to the video that we did about that down below. But here's the two things we're seeing the SBA agents ask for: a board resolution accepting the funding of the loan and a copy of your hazard insurance. So let's deal with the board resolution first. If you don't have a board, how do you get to that question? A board of directors is typical in a corporation, but what if your corporation only has one person, you, as the sole shareholder? What if you don't have regular meetings because it's only you? What if you're an LLC or a sole proprietor? So that question came up because
we went through that. I went through that. Aurora Consulting, I am the sole member of the LLC, thus not having a board. And we did have to write a letter that was accepted. It's just they don't automatically assume anything when it comes to the structure of a company, of a business that's filing for EIDL funds.
We'll put a link to our downloadable FAQ on how to prepare the board resolution letter down in the description. Next question that's coming up is the hazard insurance. Now this becomes really confusing, Linda, because hazard insurance, as included in your loan agreement, typically requires protection against fire, lightning, theft. That's okay, if you're a bakery and you've got ovens and you've got mixing equipment, or you're a factory,
property coverage,
or a store, a shoe store with inventory. But what if you're a services business like ours, where all we've got in our office is some nice looking furniture and a nice painting?
I'm actually a licensed insurance broker in the state of Connecticut, so I cannot speak to all states. We're speaking about covered perils that could happen, that could damage property, actual physical, tangible items. When it comes to service-based businesses, they may be working from home and don't require a business insurance policy that would cover the hazard insurance that the SBA is requiring.
We're going to put a link below to our FAQ based on information provided by two excellent SBA agents answering our question about that insurance. Those are the two things that you're going to see SBA agents contacting you after funding. How do you cover that? So we're researching that right now. We don't have a final answer. I'm Trevor.
I'm Linda Ray.
And we are
Aurora Consulting, financing solutions for your business success story in 2021.
You have to start the video.
You have to start the video to start the video.
This is the hazard insurance and board resolution, and action.